What up, guys? This is Pastor Canave again. We're coming up with another video. Today we're going to be looking into this website. This is a website. It's called Ben Sugal. It's a cool website. We're not going to be cloning everything in this website because it might take us a few hours, maybe like 6, 7 hours to do this. Maybe I don't know. But we're going to be focusing in the signing part, signing page. If you click and sign in, we're going to be uh, focusing in this section right here. We're going to be using HTML CSS. Okay, but before we start, please subscribe to the channel, like the videos if this video help you out. I usually like to clone websites from this company right here. Ben Zoogle already spent a lot of money creating this website, right? So what is the best way for you guys to learn if you just go clone it and see how they did it and what you can accomplish with all the skills that you have, and try just to make clone it as close as you might as you can. Okay, but like I said, we're going to be focusing on the signing part right here. This one I like it because kind of simple. It has this one, the Ben Sugo. This is just I think they created with Photoshop or maybe Adobe Illustrator. This is just an image right here. I don't have an image. We're going to create it from scratch, that part, with HTML and CSS. And then the button has a hover, a cool transition, white background, and the text is orange, right? And now, so this is responsive. If you go inspect it right here, which is cool, yeah. This, if you go to the mobile part, everything just right there. The don't have an account is just on the middle part, and then when you go to responsive, it just goes to the right. If you go all the way to desktop, it's to the right. Anyway, so, and also if you click I forgot my password, yeah, it takes you to this. We will email you a link to reset your password for this website, which is fine. We're going to try to do all of this too. All right, but the one thing I noticed on this one, if you check responsive, this is cool. That works. So if you go to mobile, Pixel 5, look, the text for the button, it comes out outside of the container, outside of the div, right? But we're going to fix that in our clone site website or sign in part page that we're going to be doing. All right, okay, cool. So we're going to start mobile first, and then we're going to work through all the way to desktop. Okay, all right, let's do it. Hopefully it might take us, I don't know, hopefully not that long, but it's a good practice to do this. Okay, all right. So I already have my HTML file ready right here, and I have my CSS ready to go. Yeah, we're going to start. Okay, I already linked my CSS in here, and that's what I was testing before. um, okay, cool, let's do that. All right, so let's start. I guess we don't need that for now. Okay, we need to be right here. Okay, all right, we're going to start with a div. We're going to put this as a class name. We're going to put it in main. Inside here, we're going to have another div. I'm going to call this main content banner. Main content banner. Okay. And then inside here, we're going to have another div. This is going to be the main content main content. And here we're going to have um, so right here we're going to have a paragraph. So right here we're going to say what it says in the website. Let's go back over here. Sign in. Okay. It says don't have an account, sign up for free. Okay. Maybe just copy that part and see. In the paragraph. Okay. Do we have that? Let's save that and let's go see what we have so far. Okay, don't have an account, sign up for free. Okay, cool. Okay, now where's the next part that we need? Okay, we have that. Now we're going to have another div right here. We're going to call this signing. Inside here we're going to have another div, and we're going to call this signing signing content. And in here we're going to have, let's see, let's check it out. Okay, we're going to have this logo, the Bansugo, and the sign into your account. So we're going to do, let's see, okay, we're going to be using H1. I think it's called ban, and then we're going to use a span because we're going to do a color, right? Span, we're going to do a class by the name color Z, we're going to call it, and then we're going to close here, and then the name is going to be Zugo right here. Okay, and then we're going to close the span. Okay, that's cool. Then right here we're going to have a H3 for, let's check it out and see, sign into your account. Okay, let's just copy that. Okay, cool. Save that. Now and now we're going to have our div class for the inputs. We're going to open up another div. So now it's going to be inside our sign in. Sign is going to be our main div, is going to be our sign is going to be our main container. It's going to be our sub container, and here's going to be a div right here, and we're going to call this inputs. And right here we're going to have a form. Okay, here we'll have a form right here. Let's just get rid of this. We just need the form, and then inside we're going to have a div where we're going to be, we don't need this class, just a div. We're going to have right here input. This is going to be email type. Then we're going to have a name. We're going to put it get rid of the value right here, and we're going to use a placeholder, and inside here we're going to have email. Should we check it out and see what we have so far? So why is this green? Didn't that shouldn't be green. I think I was testing early for my CSS. I don't think I save over here. Let me save that, and then that should do the trick, I think. Yeah, that did it. Cool. Okay, we got email right there, and we need one more. Let's keep on working on this. So let's just copy this part right here. So this is going to be password. Password. And then right here is going to be password. And then we're going to need a button. Right here. Button, and we're going to have sign in here. Sign in. Right, I think that's what we have. Yeah, sign in, then forgot password. Okay. And then right here we're going to have a link, because we gotta create another page for the forgot password. Okay, so this is going to be a P inside. Oh, cool. I forgot my password. I forgot my password. Okay, let's save that and see what we have so far. Okay, cool. That's what we have so far. Oh, nice. All right, let's work in our CSS now. Let's get this look beautiful. All right. So we're going to do mobile first. Let's just take a look at this. This is the mobile right here. Okay, mobile approach first, okay? All right, let's go back. Right here, let's go to our CSS and let's start. We're going to use the universal selector. We're going to select all the elements. So it's going to be padding 0. Then we're going to use a margin 0. Then we're going to use a box sizing, border box. Come on, you're right there. Border box, cool. And then I put as color. Let's just select everything. It's going to be white. Cool. Now we have the A tag, right? Let's do the text decoration. Let's just do none. Let's save that and see what we got. Oh yeah, it's all so white. Maybe we should wait for that. Maybe let's just comment it out for now, and then should be good. Okay, because we need to see what's going on. That's what we're working on. Okay. Oh, okay, cool. See this? Looks pretty awful, huh? Now, we need to go to, let's see, in order for us to do it responsive, we need to use, there is a link, it's called viewport. I usually like to go to responsive website, responsive web design from W3 School. And right here, I like to copy this part right here. To create a responsive website, add the following meta tag to all your web pages. We just need that part. Copy that, and we're close that, and we're going to use that in our code, in our file. Let's put it right here below meta. Let's save that. It's all saved, right? And now if you go back, refresh that, and now if you go back to inspect, okay, that's what we want. All right, that's cool right there. Now, okay, let's keep on working our CSS. Okay, now we're going to target main, the main class. We're going to do a height 100 bh, view height, and then we'll do the background. So I already have a picture that I picked from Pixel Bay. So it's a rock image. I mean a band. Okay. URL. So, and we're going to do a, because it's on my folder, have a few folders right here. We're going to do dot / and then I got a folder called Yosoy. Yeah, that's how I name it. Images. You got, I put the name of the image musica. I think I call it musica. JPG, musica.jpg. Okay, close and see what we have so far. Do we have something? Nothing. So I'm going to play around with this. So, but I need the following. We're going to do no repeat, center, and cover. Yeah, it's not finding it, so I think my path for the picture is not right. Do I need another dot maybe? So is that the name images? Musica JPG. Okay, let's save that and go back and okay. Yeah, I need it to go dot / and then Yosoy. Okay, I found it. See, the picture is completely different from what they have on it. Like right here on the background, it's a different picture. What I have is just something that I picked from Pixel Bay for free. Yeah. Now, but we want this to be a little bit with opacity. Okay. So let's just take care of that right now. So how do we do that? We're going to be using a linear gradient. Linear gradient. going to do a comma right here, not a point but a comma. What am I comma? Then we're going to do RGBA. That's what we need. It's going to be 0 right here, and then we're going to do another of this. Let's just copy what we have. Okay, and that should take care of our image. Okay, cool. You can even see in that. Now we can use the color. Let's uncomment that so we can see it. Okay, cool. Nice. That's working fine. All right, let's keep working on it. Now we gotta target our main content banner. Let's see. Main content banner. Main content banner. Okay, let's get that. Let's do this. Let me just copy this name. Okay. Right here we need to do a padding. Oh yeah, let's see. Let's go back. We're working for mobile. Let's go back to this, our page. All right. Top and bottom, we need 80 pixels. And then left and right, we need 40 pixels. Let's save that and see what we have. Okay, that's looking good. Cool. Let's just do our text align center. Let's save that, and what we have. Cool. Okay, that's working good. So now let's target the main content, the paragraph. Let's see. Yeah, I'm going to target this part right here now. For that class, main content, P. Already have this. Let's just paste it for the paragraph. And right here, we're going to do a display. We're going to do an inline block, which we have right here. Okay, and now we want the font size. We need a font size of 19 pixels. Then we need a text align. No, what I'm doing. I don't need a text align. Font size 19 pixels, and then we need a font weight. Let's just do a font weight of 500. Let's save that and see what we have. Okay, it's not too bad. I think that's what we need. Okay, now let's target the color. So what we have for this, right? Sign up for free. And let's go back on that website. Yeah, that's part right here. Yeah, sign up for free. We need to target that. Okay. So right right here we gotta do something that I didn't do. So we need another span. We're going to have a class name called orange. Orange, right? And this one we close in there, and then we close here for the span. Okay. Save it. Now let's target that. Okay. All right. Let's go to our CSS. Going to have right here. We want to do orange class name or orange. And now right here we're going to do color. There is a color right here for that orange that they have. It's called EF672A. And then we need the text decoration. We need to do underline. See what we have so far. Okay, that's orange, but now we need to separate that underline, right? That's something really cool I found out and I learned today by building this website or this sign up page. We can use text underline offset, and this is going to be 8 pixels. We save that, and that will give us that margin of that separation. Okay, underline. Okay, cool. That did the job. Nice. Okay, now we gotta go and target the let's see. So signing. So okay, we were here. Now we gotta go and target this class, signing class. Okay. Signing. So we need a max width of 100%, and then we need the height 100%, and then we need to text align center. Then we do margin top, and we have 40 pixels. Okay, let's save that and see what we have so far. Okay, that's what we need. Okay, that's working good. Working good. All right. So we target that. Next one on the list, sign-in content class. Let's copy this part right here and then go to our CSS. Okay. So for the sign-in content, so we want to do a background RGBA. We'll be using 20, 27, 41, 0.92, which is going to give us the background color for this container right here. Okay. Okay, cool. That's what we have. Nice. All right. So now let's see what else do we have. We're going to target now the following. Let's see. Let's go back. Okay. We're going to do the assigning content H1 now. Okay. Sign in content H1. So right here we're going to do a padding of 20 pixels top and bottom, and then we get 0 left and right. Okay, now we need the font size 40 pixels. Then we need the font family, and then we're going to be using fantasy. Okay, and then we want the font weight, and we want this to be 100, to be a little bit skinnier or something. Not skinnier, but taller. I meant to say taller. Okay, cool. That's the logo, Ben Zoogle. Now we gotta do the Zoogle. We need to make it orange, kind of like the sign up for free. All right, so let's accomplish that. And what is the name that I give it to? It's called Color Z for the Zoogle for that class. So right here we want to do a color. So which is going to be the same color what we used over here. What is it? What is it? Where are you? Right here. Copy right here, and then you come down. You save that and see. That should give us that color we're expecting. Nice. Ben Zoogle. Nice. We got it. All right. So now we gotta go. We gotta target the I think it is H3 that we put it to sign into your account. Okay. Let's go to that. Signing. Yeah, signing content H3. Is that what it is? Signing content? Yeah, that's what it is, because everything is there. Yeah, signing content, then it's H3. Okay. So here what we need, we're going to give it a font size of 20 pixels. Then we're going to do a margin bottom. We're going to do 20 pixels too. Let's see. Okay, cool. Not too bad. That's what we need. That's what we want. Okay. All right. Let's keep on working on this one. Now next, let's target our form. Yep. Let's target our form. If I know how to spell it, form, Okay, right here we're going to do a width 80%. So the form it is the main container. Inside the form we have the input, email, all that stuff, and we have also button and the link. Okay, so by putting 80% width, that's how much we need. But inside we're going to do this. Okay, if we save that and see what it's going to give us. Okay, so that's to the left, right? But now we gotta make it to the center, which means we gotta use a merging out tool, out tool, out tool, margin right there, and that should center. Okay, cool, nice. Now let's target our input. Form, now let's go to input. Oh yeah, we need semicolon right there. Input, so we need display block. Yeah, because we don't want that to be inline. We want to be a stack, one after the other. Okay, and right here we need a width of 100%, and then we need color. It's going to be white. I mean, we'll talk about it's going to be for inside the input, because we selected everything to be white, right? But inside the input, if you see in this website, if you type, it's going to be black, right? And mine is all white. You cannot see anything, so that's why we're fixing it. So it's going to be black. Okay, now we need padding. We need 1 rem, and then we need 0.5 rem, and then we need the margin bottom. It's going to be 10 pixels. Okay, save that and see what we have. Oh, nice, nice. I like it, love it. This is how it's looking on the desktop. All right, I want to fix it a little bit. Okay, it's looking good. Now let's fix our text inside input. We're going to do input the placeholder. So we want the placeholder to be the font size 15 pixels, and then we need text transform. We want this to be capitalized. Capitalize. Okay, save that. Okay, let's check it out. Okay, cool, that's what we want. All right, then we gotta target what is next. So that's all the input. Now we've got to do the button. Okay, we need the width of 100% also, if I can spell it right. And then we need the padding. So we're going to use a 1 rem, 0.5 rem. Then we need the background. It's going to be, the background is going to be orange, right? Background. So where are you? Orange, right here. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, cool. Orange. Now we need border. As you can tell, there's a little border right. Look, the little border right there. It looks like a bluish, gray, whatever. We don't need that. So let's just do it. That's the default one that came out with the bottom border. We just gotta set none. Okay. We need the font weight. Not normal. We're going to give it a 600. Then we need to go to and do a font size. We're going to do 1 EM. Then we're going to do text transform. So this one is going to be uppercase. Then letter spacing. It's going to be 2 pixels. And then we're going to use a transition. But let's hold on. Let's see what we have. Okay. All right. Okay, it's a transition, right? It's going to be a hover. Okay, let's do that and see what we have. What we can do, let's do transition. If you go, let me see in the website, in the actual website, that's cool. There's a couple seconds right there for the transition. Let's go back. Okay. Transition. We're going to do the background. 1 second. And we're going to do is, comma. We're going to do color. 0.5 seconds. It's going to do is 2. Okay. Now we're going to do the button hover. So right here we're going to do the background, which is going to be white, and then we're going to do the color. The color is going to be orange, this orange that we have been using. Let's save that and see what we have. Refresh that and oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah, that's working fine. Cool. Nice. Nice. Okay. That's awesome. That's not too bad. Now we gotta do work on the I forgot my password, which is what is it? It's inside our form, I think it is. Yeah. Inside our form. Okay. Let's go right here. Let's just do form P for paragraph. So we're going to use a padding 30 pixels. We're going to do color same color as this one, the background. And then we're going to do a font size. Font size is going to be 16 pixels. Cool. Let's see what we have. Nice. Okay. Cool. So this is how it looks like a mobile. Let's see. It's looking the same. Yeah, you know. It's not exactly this. It looks, it's a clone for sure. Yes. Okay, we got it. Okay. Now we gotta work on the desktop part. Okay. We're going to use some media queries to fix that. For mobile, looks pretty good. Not too bad. Okay. Let's go to our CSS file. So we're going to do a media screen and min width 776 pixels. So everything that gets to minimum width, no, that's wrong. All of that will be accomplished right in here. So what do I need? So we're going to focus or target the main content, right? So we want this to display. Main content is this. I want to move that like over here on the website. This is our main content. This is under main content container. So if I close that, go to the desktop, this moves to the right. So I have to do that. How do I accomplish that? That's a good question. So that's why I'm using main content, which is where is the container is. We're going to use a flex for that. So let's work on this one now. Flex. And then we're going to move that justify content. We want this to go to flex end. And that should take care of that. Nice. Nice. That's pretty good. Cool. Awesome. Now, what else do we need? So we need to target another signing container margin top. So we need 80 pixels. Okay. Okay, cool. That's good. We need that much room in there for sure. Yeah, maybe it's too much, but it's okay. I think it looks good. Right. Now we gotta see the signing content. We're going to target this container right here. Going to be max width 400 pixels, and then we're going to do margin auto. Okay, right there. Let's save it, and that should get it to the size that we need. Okay, cool. Nice. Nice. That's looking good. Now, but let's increase the font size for our form P for this paragraph. I forgot my password. Okay. Okay, form P, and then we do the font size 18 pixels. We save it, and that should take care of that. Cool. Nice. Does that look the same? Yep. Not too bad. Yeah, I like it. I like it. We did everything good. Now, let's see, responsiveness. This is mobile, looking good. Then we responsive for iPad or whatever. You know, that's how it look like, and then desktop. Cool. Nice. Now we have to create next step. I want just to click. I forgot my password. Bang, it will just take me another page like this. Okay, let's do that. Since we already have, it's the same format, the same style, basically we just need to get rid of a couple things in there. Okay, all right, so how we do this? Let's just do another file. Let's create another HTML. Right here, new file. So we're going to call this forgot1.html. Okay, forgot1.html. So what we're going to be doing, we're going to be copying all our HTML from here, and we're going to be using it here. Okay, and I forgot. Okay, so right here we're going to be using the same style, CSS style. Okay, because that's the format. So we're going to be getting rid of a few things right here. Let's see a couple things. I think, let's see. Okay, go through really quick. So right here I need to change the main content right here. Don't have no, that should be good. Okay, so this, we need that, we need this part right here. So sign into your account, that's what we're going to be changing right here. We're going to say, come right here, we will email you a link to reset your password. Okay, let's copy that in our file. Okay, let's open up and see, because I'm saving this one. Okay, let's see, let's open it really quick. Okay, I forgot, right? It's right here. Okay, we're changing this part. We will email you a link to reset your password. which that's what they have in here. Okay, cool. For this one, we don't need the password anymore. We gotta get rid of that. Okay. All right. So we have to get rid of the password part. Okay. And now we have email. And now we gotta say email address. And that should give us that email address. Okay, cool. We gotta change the sign in. Gotta change the sign in right here. Oh, okay, this part right here. We're going to be saying send me my password link. Okay, let's save that in, and we're getting rid of this right here. Let's save that and see what we have. Okay. All right, we have one issue right here. See, there is no like a margin bottom right here, right? Like this one. We need something like this, and we don't have it. Okay, so what we need to do is the following. We need to create another CSS. Okay, let's create another file. Another oh, you know, actually this is a CSS. We need the CSS in my style folder. Let's create a new file. We're going to call it button one.css. Okay, and we are going to link that on my forgot HTML copy. It is under my style folders. We're going to say button one. Okay, so we have the button, but now we have to copy the bottom part from our CSS. Oh no, let's go back. Let's do this. Okay, and here we have to get rid of pretty much everything here, right? What we need in here is just a margin bottom, which is going to be 40 pixels, right? And then we need the font size 12 pixels. Let's see what we have. Okay, cool. They gave us that. But like I say, over here, if you go, this is the website from that page that we're cloning from. Okay, that's looking good for them. If you go to pixel 5, look, the text, it's out of the container. So we're going to fix that in our page. Well, now it's not doing. Ours is good because I did the font size of 12 pixels because they needed just to decrease the font size on their end, but they didn't do it. Okay, cool. I think for mobile this is looking great. Okay, and that's what we have. Let's see. Yeah, yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I think it's good, right? Okay, now for desktop, I want this. Send me my password link a little bit in a bigger font size. See over here? Okay, let's fix that really quick. Let's just do media, screen, and go to the min width 776 pixels, and right here we're going to target our button because that's what we're working on. We just need the font size to be 17 pixels. I think that should do it. Save it and see. No, that's their page. Let's go to our page. Forgot page. Okay, send me my password link. See, everything's looking as expected. The only thing we need to be left is just to link in our website, to link that. Okay, that's easy enough, right? That we can link that. So let's go back here. Let's go to our main page, and right here it was already linked. We just need to add our name of our HTML. We put it forgot. I think it's called forgot one.html. Is that forgot one.html? Okay, let's save that and see if that works. Let's get rid of that. Now if we click here, it should take us to that page that we created for the forgot password. Let's click and see. 1, 2, bam, nice. We will email you a link to reset your password. All right, guys, that worked. Nice, I like it. All right, so this is how we clone this website. So I mean this sign-in page. So hopefully you guys liked the video. Sorry this being a little bit long. I was expecting to be this long, but it's pretty cool. All right, hopefully you like the video. Subscribe to the channel. You know, we're growing slowly but steady. All right, have a good night, and I will see you in the next video. Okay, have a good night. Bye bye.